Hello students, today we will start chapter 7, that is fractions. And student, today we will learn about different terms related to fractions, their definition and their example also. So first we learn about what is fraction. A fraction is a part of whole. If a whole is divided into equal parts, each part is called a fraction. It is made up of two parts, that is numerator and denominator. Upper part is called numerator and lower part is called denominator. So student, what is fraction? A fraction is a part of whole. Whole that means complete, पूरा, ठीक है? So if a part of a whole that we cut from any whole part, that is fraction. Suppose there is a cake, okay, there is one cake, that is whole part, okay, that is whole, complete one cake, that is whole, that is called complete, ठीक है, उसको हम पूरा एक होल कहेंगे, ठीक है, वो पूरा complete है. But when we cut that cake into different pieces and distribute among the people, so that cut part is called fraction of that होल केक. ओके, उस पूरे केक का वो जो पार्ट जो आपने कट करके अपने फ्रेंड्स को दिया, अपने पेरेंट्स को दिया, अपने रिलेटिव्स को दिया, ठीक है, दैट पार्ट इज कॉल्ड फ्रैक्शनल पार्ट. और वो किसका फ्रैक्शनल पार्ट है? उस पूरे केक का. सो अ फ्रैक्शन इज अ पार्ट ऑफ होल. ठीक है, तो फ्रैक्शन क्या होगा? कोई भी एक कंप्लीट चीज़ है, अगर हम उसका कोई भी पार्ट निकालते हैं तो वो क्या है? उसका फ्रैक्शनल पार्ट है. ठीक है, so if a whole is divided into equal parts, each part is called a fraction, or it is made up of two part, numerator, denominator. And here is the example, 2 by 5. 2 is here numerator and 5 is denominator. So how this example we have to give as a fractional part? 2 by 5. Okay, suppose there is a cake and we cut 5 part of that cake and we take out 2 part from that 5 part. Okay, so 2 is called numerator and 5 is called denominator, because complete कितने पार्ट में हमने कट किया? 5 पार्ट में. और कितने पार्ट हमने बाहर निकाले अपने रिलेटिव्स को देने के लिए? 2 पार्ट. सो 2 वी राइट 2 by 5. जितने पार्ट को हम निकालेंगे वो पार्ट आपका न्यूमरेटर एज अ न्यूमरेटर राइट होगा. एंड कितने पार्ट में वो टोटल कट है वो केक, दैट इज 5, दैट इज डिनोमिनेटर. ओके, now types of fractions. There were different types of fractions and here we will learn proper fractions. The fraction in which the numerator is less than the denominator are called proper fraction. So my dear student, in a fraction, if there is fraction given to you and if numerator is less than denominator, this type of fraction is called proper fraction. Okay, and here is the example, 0 by 2, 1 by 4, 2 by 5, and here you see the numerator is less than denominator. So this type of fraction is called proper fraction. Now come on, improper fractions. The fraction in which the numerator is greater than or equal to the denominator are called improper fraction. This is opposite of proper fraction. Okay, in proper fraction numerator is less than denominator, but improper fraction numerator is greater or equal to denominator. So for example, 7 by 4, 21 by 20, 121 by 100, and here you see denominator is greater than, sorry, numerator is greater or equal than denominator. Okay, now come on, mixed number. Student, we see there were different use of mixed number, and a mixed number has two parts, a whole number part and a part with a fraction. So this is called mixed number because it will come from combination of two that is a whole part and a part with fraction. For example, 2 1 by 2, 3 1 by 5, 6 whole 1 by 3. So here student, you see in the first example 2 whole 1 by 2. So 2 is whole part and 1 by 2 is fractional part. Second example, 3 whole 1 by 5. 3 is whole part and 1 by 5 is fractional part. 6 is whole part and 1 by 3 is fractional part. So mixed number has two parts, a whole number part and a part with fraction. Now come on unit fractions. As name suggests to you student, unit, that means 1. Okay. So according to definition, a fraction whose numerator is 1 and the denominator is greater than 1 is called unit fraction. For example, 1 by 8, 1 by 3, 1 by 5, etc. And here you see in this example, the numerator is 1 and denominator is greater than 1. So this type of fractions is called unit fraction. Now, come on like fraction and unlike fraction. You study earlier in your previous class and most of the time there were question arise. Find out like fraction and unlike fraction. This type of question. Okay. So first we know about like fractions and unlike fraction. Like fractions. Fractions that have the same denominator are called the like fraction. For example, 8 by 12, 7 by 12, 17 by 12, etc. And in this example, student, you see their denominator is 12. In every fraction, the denominator is 12. So, if there were same denominator in any fraction, so that fraction is called like fractions. Okay. Unlike fraction. Fraction whose denominator are different are called unlike fraction. Okay. For example, 4 by 6, 3 by 8, 12 by 15, etc. And here you see denominators are different. Okay. Now, equivalent fraction, that is very, very important. Equivalent, that means equal. Okay. Fractions that name the same part of whole are called equivalent fraction. So student, if there is a whole part and we cut out part in such a way that every part has same fractional value, that is called equivalent fraction. For example, 1 by 4, 2 by 8, 3 by 12. So student, how these fractions are equivalent fractions? Listen and see very carefully. 1 by 4, okay? 2 by 8 is also equivalent fraction. How? 2 by 8 and 2 by 8, when we divide this, the 2 ones are 2 and 2 fours are 8. Then 2 by 8 gives 1 by 4. Okay? So is it equal to 1 by 4? Now come on, 3 by 12. 3 1 are 3, 3 4 are 12. So 3 by 12 is also equal to 1 by 4. Okay? So these fractions are called equivalent fractions. So my dear student, this is all about the different terms of fraction. You all revise and learn and understand the terms proper way.